is the next part of the tutorial. I will show you how to install the VLC media player. Just click yes and wait for unpacking data. Click next. Install it. And click the finish button. This is how I install the VLC media player. In my next tutorial, I will show the basic functions of this